Yo, what's up everybody? How you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Netspend small business account. So if you guys have a Netspend small business account, then you can't go through the normal step and log in into your account. There's like a separate website created for this purpose, all right? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to log in into your small business Netspend account correctly. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to come to your search engine or your browser and you want to search for this Netspend small business login. Once you search for Netspend small business login, it's going to show you all this. Don't click on the first link, that's basically an ad over here. Make sure you click on Netspend small business account and make sure it takes you to netspendsmallbusiness.com. Click on it and it's going to bring you to this page, which is the official page of Netspend small business. You can even see Netspend small business. Make sure you see this logo. If you only see Netspend, then you're at the wrong place. It should say Netspend and small business. All right. If it says that, you're at the correct website. Over here, you need to enter your correct username. After entering your correct username, you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, click on login. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Netspend small business account. And if you forgot the username or password of your account, you can click on forgot username if you forgot the username. You can click on password if you forgot your password, and it's going to help you recover your password or your username, whichever thing you forgot. And if you tick mark username over here where it says remember username, then basically Netspend is going to remember your username. And every single time you come to business.netspend.com, your username is automatically going to be entered and you can just enter your password, click on login to log in into it, all right? And if you want to activate your card, you can go and activate. If you want to register, go and register. If you want to contact the support of Netspend, you can click on contact. And this is just going to take you to the, official website of Netspend. So yeah, that's how we guys can log in into Netspend small business account. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.